Hey lady, this is Allison Price with the Infused Life. Welcome to another DIY Wednesday. You are in the right spot if you are looking for simple, easy recipes that you can DIY yourself and kick the toxins to the curb. If you are looking to reduce your toxic burden in your home for yourself and for your family members, your loved ones, you are in the right place. And so keeping with this November theme of DIY gift giving ideas, this evening I want to show you a super simple, I always like to keep it simple, a super simple DIY pillow spray that you can make. This is so fabulous because, of course, it's easy. And who wouldn't want to get one of these cute little pillow sprays in a gift basket or as a gift? Great to give to teachers, to friends. And because they're so simple to make and they're super cost friendly, you can make tons of these and just randomly hand them out. Leave one in the mailbox for the mailman. Give one out to the cashier at the grocery store. Whatever you'd like. You can make fun little tags for them. But it's super simple. I like to use 30 ml spray bottles. You can use bigger ones, of course. I just find these easy for simple gift giving. And so what you're going to do is you're going to want to take 2 teaspoons of either rubbing alcohol or witch hazel. And then you're going to add your essential oils, and if you need to top off, add some distilled water. So for those of you that are on my email list, you are going to be receiving an email with tons of great suggestions for essential oil blends, oils that you can blend together to make wonderful pillow spray aromas. But I want to leave you with a few that I really enjoy. And so the first one is a combination of lavender and cedarwood. I love to do 6 drops of lavender and 4 drops of cedarwood. Another one that I love to do is vetiver and bergamot. If you have not utilized bergamot as an evening relaxation, unwind your mind oil, you're missing out. So do 5 drops of vetiver and 5 drops of bergamot. That's actually what I have in here now. It smells so amazing. And don't worry, this isn't going to stain any sheets. It's not going to be harmful on your skin. Just a side note with vetiver, it is a super thick oil. So when you have it, if you can put a dropper cap on it, it will be a lot easier to use. The last one I want to share live with you is 4 drops of ylang-ylang and 6 drops of sandalwood. Sandalwood is one of my all-time favorites all day, every day, any time of the day. But when you blend it with ylang-ylang, it smells phenomenal. It also smells phenomenal with patchouli or a citrus like wild orange or a citrus blend like Citrus Bliss. So that is my DIY Wednesday for you this week. And adding to the DIY gift giving theme, you can pack out a lot of these bad boys in just a few minutes and you'll have lots of gifts to give. Think of, if you have kids in school administrators, teachers. I always love to gift the ladies at the front office, right? They are our gatekeepers. They do so much for us. Daycares or, maybe where you work. Just think of all the people that it would really touch to just receive even something as simple as a pillow spray. And for those of you that are going to be getting my email, I'm also going to have some fun labels that you can print that have a little sticker you can put on the bottle and a little informational card that you can give with it as well. So put it in a little cellophane bag, wrap a little bow around it, whatever you would like. So that's it. DIY pillow spray. Super simple, super easy, great gift to give. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in as always. I appreciate your likes, your comments, your shares. Share this with others who may need an idea like this for the holiday gift giving season. And if you're catching me on YouTube and you subscribe to my channel, I super appreciate you guys as well. So have a wonderful evening, and I will see you back here again next Wednesday for another DIY Wednesday, complete with our gift giving theme for the holiday season. Have a good one.